Hello everybody, this is Nidal Asbah. I'm presenting here a project of sustainable planning and architectural design. The topic of this project is about the role of eco-landscape to embody the sustainable urban environment development. The design of this project is about eco-park, so we are here going to discuss the concept of the design of this eco-park in details. The main concept of this project is related with water cycle issue, that we are gathering the waters coming from rain to the site. The concept is related with we are using the slope site and gather water in some or certain location. Besides, the environmental issues have been taken in consideration within concept, such as sun orientation, and rectangular shape of the site is oriented also from east to west axis. So beside water cycle issue and beside the environmental issues, we are talking here about how we will connect our site with transportation, and within this project we'll think about neighborhood solution and agriculture issues that related to the site and how we can save energy. So if we look at the sketch of the project, its initial sketch is about how we are using lighting solar units in some locations, how we are using evergreen trees, and how we are using also seasonal greens in the site. Shadows is connected with the site, and we can see at the main mass of the site how we are using a green roof at the slope side that we used before to the water cycle issue. And the main mass is about weekly bazaar that's used in some locations in Istanbul. We will talk more about the location later on. Moreover, if we look at the section here, we can see at the blue color the water tank that we will locate at this project. We'll talk more details about this water tank at the plans and section slide for this project. For the location of the site, we have the current site that located in Istanbul city in Başakşehir neighborhood. If we look at the left, we can see at the top that Metro Kent as a train station is very close to our site, and this site is used now for a bazaar, weekly bazaar for the neighborhood, for Başakşehir neighborhood, as we can see at the left. So there is no metro station close to the site, so our work here is talking about how to link this site with many train stations that located in the neighborhood. Like we are talking here about Metro Kent and Olympiad metro station. Our site is busy, current site, so if we are going step forward and looking for the future, there is locations located close to the new channel of Istanbul, and this is exactly close to Shamlar Lake that's in the northern side of Istanbul. So a part of our concept is that to make spots like this project and distribute it in Istanbul, like the northern side of Istanbul that's close to Arnavutköy and close to the airport, new airport, and we'll think later on about different sites that could be suitable for our project. So here we have site plan. The area of our sites are around 13,000 square meter. Here's a site plan with a scale 1 to 500. So the entry of the site will be from the like the eastern side of the site, and if we can look for more details, we'll find how the site is dealing with the summer sunrise, and after that within the summer there's a location where we can follow for summer sunset for the sun we are talking here. Besides, we have also thinking about how we are having the sun angle for one winter sunrise and we'll think also about winter sunset for the sun. Besides, we are caring here about the wind direction that coming from the western and northern part to the site. And if we are going to look more about the key plan, the key of this plan again, as we talked before at the concept. So number one, it will be roof garden. Number two is bazaar entrance, or the main function entrance. At third point of the site, we have like gardens for fruits and vegetables that connected with the concept of agriculture that the neighborhood locals will share to use this function. At the fourth, we have point, we have solar bus stop. So this solar bus stop is about thinking how to connect the bus stations with the site. And for number five, we have a bikes stop and parking location. For the number six, we have a solar light. So this solar light will appear more and we'll show it again in next slides. And we have, of course, number seven, the main element that's about the water feature, which is connected with and gathering water system, and also is connected with irrigation concept. So for the plan and section of our site, at the right top part, we have the ground floor plan with the scale 1 to 1250. And we can see there at the red color the water tank location with the area of 4,568 meters square. And of course, if we going to large part of symmetric part of the main function, which is bazaar for this project, we'll see here how we are using within the plan, which is ground floor plans mentioned there, with the scale 1 to 300 at A3 printing. This site is this plan is depending on a grid construction. So we can see this grid, and the main function is like show for vegetables and fruits inside the main halls of the plan. So also, of course, we have shops and services for the users, and we have, of course, for circulation, lifts and stairs. If we look at the section AA, number one, it's scaled with 1 to 300 at A3. This section is about the levels and floors that forming this building. So the minimum height, we'll use it here around 3 meters and a half. We have the slope at the section. This slope is used as roof garden, as we mentioned before, and also it's used for the water recycling process at this site. We have two levels of parking, floor -1 and floor -2 for parking, as I said before. And we have voids appears at the section for also interacting the greens with floors. For section AA number 2, we have here the water tank. As we talked before, it's 4,568 meters square multiplied by 3.4 meter. This water tank is collecting and gathering the water from the site. It's connected also with our water feature, and we have like a filter system that separating the water feature from water tank. Before going to the water tank, we have a pipe. The function of this pipe is recycling the water to the top of the green roof again. We have here images and details related to the site. As you can see, we have the general view of our site. We have also at the right top of the site solar bus station, like it appears here in the image. Besides down of general view, we have roof garden, and this roof garden is also has parts of agriculture, and it has parts of related to entertainment issues. And we have like in the water feature, gathered rainwater as it appears here at the images. Besides, we have solar light with wind turbine could be, and we have also the bikes location and agriculture activity at our site. And finally, we have here an animation video that shows more about the general views and perspectives of our site. Thank you.